specifying labels, constraints and user-defined effects for a CFA with lavaan in 60 seconds. When we specify a lavaan model, we can give labels to the parameters we are estimating. We're doing this by multiplying the relevant variable from the left-hand side with the label we choose. In this example, I assign labels to the 3 factor covariances by multiplying them from the left-hand side with the name of a label. We can use those labels for model restrictions. If you want to define an equality constraint, you have to use 2 equal signs, as in this example here. There's a second way to achieve the same result. If you use the same label for different parameters, this works as an equality constraint as well. And we can use the labels for user-defined effects with the colon and equal operator. In this case, it's a contrast, the difference between 2 covariances. The next video will be about model estimation. Thanks for watching.